Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I talk about the features of macOS Sequoia. So watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important feature. Apple Intelligence on Mac models. With Apple Silicon, macOS Sequoia introduces Apple Intelligence. We draw on your personal contacts to give you intelligence that's most helpful and relevant for you. Coming in beta in US English later this year. Writing focus and communication. You will see new writing tools and languages capabilities help you write, summarize longer text and prioritize notifications. Delightful images created just for you. Create images to express yourself. Craft gen emojis for conversations or revisit favorite moments with your own memory movies. The start of a new era for Siri. With richer language understanding and awareness for your personal context, Siri is more capable and helpful than ever. Continuity. Use your iPhone from your Mac. With iPhone mirroring, you can view that's on your iPhone and control it too, without having to reach for it. iPhone notifications on Mac. Catch your iPhone notification right alongside your Mac ones. Even better, you can take action and launch straight into an app when using iPhone mirroring. Let's talk about seamless drag and drop between devices. Move files, photos and videos between your iPhone and Mac as easily as you drag and drop between apps on Mac. Let's talk about productivity. Easy window tiling. Drag windows to the edge of your screen to effortlessly arrange them into side-by-side titles on your desktop or place them in corners to keep even more apps in views. Tiling with keyboards and menu shortcuts. Lay out your workspace on the fly. Let's talk about presenter preview. See exactly what you are going to share in video calling apps, your whole screen or a single app, before displaying it for everyone. Background replacements. Express yourself or just hide the laundry behind you with beautiful built-in backgrounds or your own photos, while industry-leading segmentation technology help you look your best. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.